Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today we're making a really simple home-style red chicken curry. This is also known as Chicken Baffad. It's got layers and layers of flavor and it's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with these gorgeous red Kashmiri chilies. I have 8 here, and the best way to get these really nice and soft for the masala is to hydrate them with some hot boiling water. I like to leave these overnight if possible, but if not, a minimum of 30 minutes should rehydrate the skins. I'm also going to soak a 2-inch ball of tamarind in 1 cup of water. I have a whole chicken here. This is 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo, and it's been cut into small pieces. Add salt to taste and the juice of half a lime. I'm just going to mix this in and leave it aside. In my food processor, I'm going to add all of the chilies followed by the tamarind, a 1/4 cup of ginger, a 1/4 cup of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and I'm also going to throw in some whole spices. I have a 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. Add this in and I'm going to get the lid on and start to process it. This is a good start, but we really want this paste to be nice and smooth. I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. If you have a food processor that's not steel like mine is, you can also add the turmeric later. I'm going to keep adding a little water at a time to get that nice smooth texture. You can use regular water if you like, but I'm just using the water that I use to soak the chilies. This is now perfect. It's glistening and smooth. You can make this masala ahead and you can store it in your fridge. I'm going to add some oil to my pot and I'm just going to allow this to heat up. Add a cup of cubed potatoes to the hot oil and I'm just going to allow these to cook till they're about half done. Once done, remove them on some paper towel and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of finely diced onions to the oil. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies. Allow the onions to caramelize till they have turned a nice golden brown color, and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of diced tomatoes. Put the lid on and allow these tomatoes to cook till they are nice and mushy. It's time now to scrape all of that luscious masala in, and I'm going to add some of that chili water into my food processor so we get all of that masala out. Saute the masala with the onions and the tomatoes for a few minutes and then just remove it and keep it aside. I'm going to add a bit more oil and I'm going to add all of the chicken in a single layer. I'm just looking to get a little bit of browning, and when it's brown on one side, I'm going to flip it over, and when we have a nice color on all sides, add all of the reserved masala, onion and tomato mixture in. I'm also going to add a half chicken bouillon stock cube. This is about 50 grams and it gives great additional flavor. Add about a cup of water. I just added water to my food processor to pick up all of the residual masala, and I'm going to add that in. Add the potatoes. Cover and allow the magic to happen. Cook this, stirring at intervals. When the chicken is nice and tender, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add salt to taste and mix it in. Put the lid on and allow this to simmer for another minute or so. I'm just tasting for salt again, adding a little bit more, and this curry is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe for chicken baffad. Trust me, you're going to be making this recipe over and over again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care, happy eating, bye!